Hey everyone, let's build picnic accessories with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Well, let's begin with our blanket, starting with an 8x8 plate. We're going to place several tiles on this plate, and you could do your design any way you wish. I'm going to be using several different styles of tiles, like 1x1 round flat tiles. We got some 1x1 half round tiles. And we got a couple of these here. We're going to place these right here. Now, I thought about just speed building through this, but you know what? We got to set the picnic up, and we want to savor the moment, so we're going to just do this very slow. And I'm just placing some tiles in here, so that's pretty much what it is. And I'm just grabbing things and starting to sort things out. This is more or less like an impromptu style tutorial for those who are not used to how I do some of these things here. So, plus it's easy for you to follow along because I'm moving a little slower than this traditional speed build. But I'm just placing some stuff. Now, this was probably the only color I could find, and yes, I'm actually looking at a snapshot of this because I couldn't remember what order the tiles went in, but you'll see the pattern here real quick, and I'm going to try to breeze through it for you without losing quality here. And I miss doing the tile stuff. Alright, so this one here goes right there. And now you can start seeing we have a nice little blanket or a quilt pattern. Something you'd see like on a bed, like a comforter. And yeah, starting to look like something. And well, we don't know where that goes yet because I haven't gotten that far. And yeah. Got to set up the blanket first, which just pretend that we're pulling the blanket out of the car, and we got to set it up. You don't have to unfold the blanket and stuff like that. And trying to pick up all the parts. Gotta love my tutorials because this is one of those tutorials where, yeah, I just don't want to script them. I know some have asked me about that, but I'm not going to do that today. And now you can see we got a nice little soft pattern here. And this one goes here like that. Making sure I get those in the right spot or my whole pattern will be thrown off out of a loop. And I'm sure using a lot of these flame yellowish orange pieces, and that's a color I don't ever really use a whole lot of, so I thought that'd be perfect for the comforter. And of course, if I make a mistake, well, I will have to correct it. But hopefully you could do this all in one shot here. There we go. And yeah, so no speed builds today. Sorry. But I like doing the tiling. This is like a little mini mosaic, if you want to call it that. For those who don't know, I used to do a lot of mosaics. That's how I was discovered doing the Lego stuff on another website a long time ago. And pretty much that's what I've been known to do. Haven't done a really good mosaic in years. Kind of miss doing them, but just been wrapped up with reviews. But as you can tell now, we got a nice warm design here. Now, like I said, you could do any color you choose on yours. You can pick any design. Plus, I've always wanted to use these little squiggly tiles, the little 2x2 with the two cutouts. And I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to use these now in the blanket for the picnic. And we're almost done here. This is the longest part of the whole tutorial, so the rest of it I promise will not be this intense. But we got everything right. That's the blanket. We got the blanket set up for the picnic. For an ice chest, start with a 1x3 Technic lift arm. I'm going to place 3 Technic friction pins with stud in each of the holes, as shown. Then, right in the center, I'm going to place a 1x1 flat tile and a set of 1x1 plates and a telephone receiver for a handle. For a picnic basket, we're going to take one of these 2x3 shields with a handle. I'm going to place a set of 1x3 rounded plates right on the bottom. And to finish up these studs, a set of 1x2 rounded flat tiles. And this is going to give our picnic basket that wickered basket look here. For a Boombox radio, start with a 1x4 rounded plate. I'm going to place a stud on the right-hand side, followed by a 1x2 modified plate with stick, and on the left-hand side, a stud. Now for speaker grills, I'm just going to take a set of 1x1 half round flat tiles. I'm going to continue on with a 1x1 flat tile with a little keypad print right there. I'm going to stick a transparent brown 1x1 flat tile right here. This is going to either be a cassette player or a CD player. I don't think anybody uses those anymore. And I'm going to put the other round tile here for a speaker reel to complete the boombox. A picnic is not complete without some sandwiches. We're going to take a 1x2 rounded plate, place some stud flowers on top for vegetables, and a 1x2 rounded flat tile for a bun. We're going to make 2 of these, but we need something to wash that down. So we're going to take 3 transparent blue studs. We're going to place these on top of one another, and a 1x1 round plate with a little 3.2 shaft on top to represent a water bottle. We got to have something to wash the sandwiches down while we're at the picnic.